So I have something trouble in VRF gree thermostat is, you see, control VRF controller XK46. The error code is C6. C6. This is not work now. So what is the problem we can find? Same. So unit is 14 and 15. You can see 15 and 14. Let's check where is the master unit. So let me check. Same problem. So this one unit is a 16 number unit, C6 also here. Let me check first of all master. So this is the master. Open light, you can see the master unit. The same problem. Change the mode, also check, nothing. The problem is their outdoor unit. I can give you the screenshot of the C6. What's the problem in this situation? So we will was first to go rooftop and check everything in outdoor is good or not. Open now. Later we will close. So let me go now. So we are going to check rooftop. What is the problem is a C6 error in grey unit. So first we are checking to the rooftop. If something there is a problem, we can find the first one. So here is all grey units, VRF. The one unit is the master, this one, and three is with work. So our unit is ground floor and outdoor is this area. Gree. So this is our outdoor unit. Which one is the master? Let me check. And the bus technology. This wire. First we check the wire. This is the master because two wires with there is two wire. This is the master. We will check the first up breaker. If sometime a breaker down, this is the vehicle. So here one breaker is down, AC number 3, that's why coming error. But I think this one going to master unit. Let me on first. Okay, now going to ground floor and check again. Just close. This is the Petra economizer. So let me check error. See this is now good. Let me check another place. So here also good, no air code. Here also good.
Why?
So problem is C6, the breaker is down there. तो दोस्तों आज का वीडियो यही था एरो कोड के ऊपर। C6 प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो चुकी है, आप देख सकते हैं। अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को दबा दें ताकि आपको आने वाली वीडियो मिले सबसे पहले। तो नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलते हैं दोस्तों।